Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a quick video showing you the unboxing of the iPhone 11. Now this is brand new, straight from the store, and as you can see there's so many changes with the box. The box has gone smaller, so it's an iPhone 11 white with 128 GB memory. So all right, let's begin. Let's see what's inside the box. Definitely. Inside the box, you've got the phone. Pretty nice and sleek. And then you have the charger, or you could call it the charging cable without the plug. You got a few stickers, user manual, SIM card pin. You got dual cameras, flashlight and a sensor. You got the usual buttons, the power, volume up and down, and mute button. You also got dual speakers at the bottom, along with the charging slot. So for the demonstration, I'm going to use an older iPhone. This is the iPhone XS. The biggest difference you can actually tell is through the camera. And the color as well. This is like pretty white, but that's like a little off-white, as you can see when you compare. But otherwise, the phones are very identical. Anyway, this is not really a comparison, because there's not much of difference between these two, apart from the processor and the camera. But it's just for demonstration purpose. I'm gonna show you how to do the setup. So we need this magical tool. Yeah, let's get that baby out. Power it on. Hello. Okay, so swipe up to open. Okay, so we're gonna go with English. Okay, that's fine. Okay, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. So that basically is the current iPhone. What you gotta make sure is that if the other iPhone doesn't show options, make sure that it's running iOS 11 or later. The Bluetooth is turned on. So let's make sure. There you go. Okay, so that's the Bluetooth turned on. Okay. Set up new iPhone. Use your Apple ID or something to set up new iPhone. Click continue. Okay, waiting for iPhone. Hold your new iPhone up on the camera. So it should be something like that. Okay, finish on new iPhone. Setting up language. It's so cool. I mean, the way it's doing it. Okay, sorry, here you gotta enter the passcode of your other iPhone. Then you gotta wait till it completes the setup. Okay, then it's asking me to actually set up my Face ID. You just hit continue, or you can even set it up later in settings. So I'm gonna do later in settings. Okay, transfer data from iOSborn. Keep your nearby connected. And it would take about 25 minutes. So that's absolutely fine for me. You're gonna continue, and we're just gonna leave these phones connected next to each other. Okay. So next step is asking me to approve the terms and conditions. I'm going to agree to. setting up the new iPhone. We should be done fairly quickly. Okay, the next thing it's asking is the settings. I'm just gonna continue. Okay, I'm gonna set this up later in the wallet. Okay, set up later. Okay, improve Siri dictation. Okay, not now. We can do that a bit later. But if you got the time, you can actually do it. I'm just going through this very quickly. iPhone analytics. I mean, you know, the data is collected. Blah blah blah. You can either share it with Apple or you can choose not to. That's fine. It's not gonna make any difference. So there you go. So it's transferring data from my old iPhone to the new one now, and you know we're just gonna leave both the phones right next to each other and give it some time. We are almost done. 6 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes to go. Okay, just did a transfer complete, and the new iPhone just restarted by itself. Now we just gotta wait till it comes to the home or the main screen. You got the iPhones come up to the main screen now. I've just unlocked it, and what it's gonna do is, even though it's got all my personal data, it's gonna now try and copy across the rest of the apps. As you can see, whatever is grayed out is eventually gonna come up and load up here. So that's pretty much it. You know, I mean, it's installing all my apps in the background. You know, like Facebook, WhatsApp. I've got Apple Music, so that's probably gonna be syncing too. If I go to my library, it's got all my music which I had on the other phone. So that's the beauty about Apple. You know, I just love it, the way they have the technology. So there you go, guys. I'm not going to be really going over anything specific. It's a great looking iPhone, great finishing, and there you go, we're done. If you enjoyed watching this video and if this was very helpful to you, do like and subscribe. Cheers.